Under 5 minutes you don mix puff puff, fry am. You no need to waste time dey wait. Today na puff puff wey go Harvard University we dey do. 3 cups of flour. If you don add the 3 cups of flour, make you just add baking powder. You hear me? Na baking powder. After baking powder, you go come add sugar. Make you use the sugar wey you like. So after you don add sugar, add the eggs. After eggs, I know say everybody get yogurt, so just add yogurt to it. Come use milk take marry the ingredients together. If you don add the milk, make you turn am. As you dey turn am, dey check am, turn am. You no go dey too soft, you no go dey too hard. See am? So as you don turn am finish, see wetin enter. Na onions o. Onions just enter there. Pepper just enter there. This one na complete Naija puff puff. You must not use the 2 ingredients wey I just add so, but if you dey like the ingredient, e dey give am special taste, special flavor. So after you don turn am together, you no need to cover am and keep. Just add oil for pot or for your frying pan. If you don add am, bring 2 spoons. See am so, na 2 spoons you dey see so. You go take one, dey carry, take am, dey give am to the other spoon. Come use the other one, still help the other spoon take put am for oil. See as I dey do am, na so you go do am. You no need to dirty your hand. You no need to dey touch your hand, dey see how you go take press am. E don round o. No be puff puff you dey see so. Na puff puff o. E don ready. The difference be say, as you wan do this puff puff, you go do am na. Under 15 minutes, you don finish the puff puff. You don fry am, you don do am finish. No be say you go keep am dey wait make e rise, make you see how im belle go swell, im leg go swell before you go come begin dey press am, dey check whether the consis ten cy dey okay. This one, just see am, na puff puff e don ready. This one na puff puff wey go Harvard be this. No oyibo teach me this puff puff. As I don learn this puff puff for oyibo hand for long time, I come say okay, make I come teach my people this puff puff. Try this puff puff. You don see as I take mix the batter, you don see as I take mix am, you don see the difference. You no stress yourself. That local way of making puff puff wey our great grandfather them use make puff puff, you come begin dey use am, dey make am. Some of us sef go take say they no dey, because they no dey keep their hand very well, they no go fit make puff puff. Then go dey beg who go make puff puff for them. No beg anybody. Miss puff puff na chop am. See am, e don ready. No difference for taste.